Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a Windows 11 recovery image. So for doing this, just simply go to start menu and search for control panel. Now this feature for recovering image have been in Windows since Windows 7. So what you have to do is just simply click on backup and restore, then click on create a system image, then wait for a few seconds until it looks for the backup. Then after that, just simply click on the Dropbox and choose a drive where you want to make the backup, or you can also make the backup in a DVD or a network like NAS or something. So for me, I will just simply go with the hard disk and I will choose a location. So for example, just simply choose any drive which has a lot of space in it. Then after selecting that drive, just simply click next. Now, as you can see over here, it has already selected the parts of the drive which is going to get backed up. Now after you have seen which drives are going to get backed up, just simply click on start backup and the backup will start. Just like this. So just simply wait for the backup to complete, and after the backup is complete, it will look something like this. It will create a folder with the name of window image backup, then your desktop name, then the backup files will be over here. And that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.